You know who else gets bored sometimes? Your pets. Don't believe me? We're going to go to my best friend, Professor Bowtie. He's going to tell us some stuff. Professor, I just have a quick question for you. Can animals get sad or depressed or bored?
Oh yeah, you bet they do.
No.
Oh yeah, man, I'll tell you all about it. See, the little animals, they all love to play. They play to be best friends and bonding and being all huggy because they like to stretch out how big they can make their muscles, yet they feel good about it. They like to find new things. Oh my goodness, here's what this thing, I don't know what it is. I don't know what that thing is. They love to find out. They've had a good time. They're all stressed out. Yeah, all animals, they love to play.
Wow, Professor, thanks a lot.
Oh, no problem. Keep having a good time with all those little cardboard tubes.
Hey, glad you like it. Quick question, where are you from? What's with that accent?
I don't know.
Oh, Helga!
Yeah?
We're out of toilet paper.
He's a good guy. So we're going to be tinkering some toys and things for animals to play with so they don't get too bored. Tinkered a bunch of different things, maybe to give you some ideas. So let me show you some of my stuff. Bunch of toilet paper tubes, and maybe he could go in there. Yes, I'm loving this, it's so awesome. Time of his life. A little kind of spinning wheel, keep them exercised. Yes, I'm loving this is even cooler. If you have a pet bird, you want something for them to swing onto.
I'm a bird and I'm loving this.
A fish, put this at the bottom of the tank.
Oh, what's that about?
Look, can't see me in there because I'm a fish, gonna go back inside. A snake or a lizard love to find places to hide or way up in the sun and sun themselves.
Oh, I'm a snake. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice too.
Dog treat in the box, tape it shut. Cat toys, spiral cut out of there.
Come on, superstar.
Dude, perk up.
Oh boy. Who wants it?
Yeah! He likes it!
Now we're having fun.
And if you guys want to create your own toys for your pets, send us video. We all would love to see them. Keep tinkering your stuff. Keep making things that you and your pet can have fun with. Take care of yourself. See you next time.